In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual desktop. Now this feature comes in really handy when you have multiple things going on in your workflow, but only one monitor to work off of. So here on this notepad, I have 3 different shortcuts that show you how to create a virtual desktop, how to toggle between virtual desktops, and how to close a virtual desktop. So let's go ahead and get started. So we want to go ahead and hold down the Control, Windows D, and you see how everything is shifted over to the left. Let's go ahead and do that again. Control Windows D. So right now we have 3 desktops open. So let's go back to our original one. So let's do Control Windows left arrow, and then hold down the left arrow again, and we're back to our original one. So let's go ahead and open something up. Alright, let's go back to our third window. So Control Windows arrow, and then arrow again. So let's open up a web page. So one thing to remember is when you have something open, if you don't close it, it's going to carry over to the next window. So it's kind of like a safety feature so you don't lose any important information. So let's go back to our second window. So Control Windows arrow, and then our first one, Control Windows arrow again. Now to close a virtual desktop, we want to do Windows key Control F4. Now the F4 is going to be one of the top line buttons on your keyboard depending on your layout, and it should be over like the number 5 button. Alright, so let's go to our second window. So Control Windows right arrow. Now let's do Control Windows F4 to close this one. Alright, now it sends us back to the first window. Let's go do Control Windows right arrow. This was originally our third window, but went ahead and came over to number 2 after we closed number 2 down. So let's go ahead and close this one. So Control Windows F4, and you see what I mean? Because we didn't close this window down, this actually came over to our original screen. So something to keep in mind there. And if you guys have any tips on any other videos, let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, subscribe and like. Thank you.